everyone. Right now I'm making some dinner and I'm going to make a steak with some rice with mixed vegetable. I have 1 kilogram of top sirloin steak and I'm seasoning it with 3 teaspoons of steak seasoning. If you don't have that seasoning, you can just season it with salt and some pepper and some garlic. I'm also adding 3 cloves minced garlic. Then once I season it, I just leave it for a couple of minutes, like 10-20 minutes to soak or absorb the spices. While waiting for the meat marinade, I will going to cook some rice from the rice cooker and also cut some broccoli for the side. Now I'm cutting some carrots and some bell pepper into cubes for my rice ingredients, since I'll be making some mixed vegetable with the rice. For the spices, we just need to have 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon parsley, 1/2 teaspoon Cajun, 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Now I'm ready to make my rice with mixed vegetables since the rice is already cooked. So all I need to do is heat up a pan and put some butter. So before I'm gonna make my mixed vegetable with rice, I'm going to cook first the broccoli. So just add 3 cloves of garlic, saute it until it's brown. Add the broccolis and season it with salt and add some chicken broth, half a cup. Once it's done, then set aside. Then we can cook our rice with mixed vegetable. We'll be using the same pan, and now I'm adding more butter. Saute 3 cloves of garlic cut into smaller pieces. Add the green peas and carrots. Make sure to cook it for like 3 minutes or 4 minutes so it's not overcooked. Stir it. Add the bell pepper. I'm just using half of it, but you're welcome to add more if you want. Add 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder, or you can add more depending on your taste bud. Add the rice. It's a big bowl. Probably there are 4 cups in it. I am using parboiled rice, but you can use whatever rice you want. I'm adding the oregano now since I didn't add it earlier. Just continue mixing the rice until it's cooked and mixed well. This is good to go, and now we can cook the steak. I'll be using a different pan. I have here a grill pan. Add some butter and spread it across the pan. Add some fresh rosemary and some chopped garlic. This will add extra flavor to the steak and it keeps it moist. The remainder of the bell pepper that I cut earlier, I just grill it for more vegetable and also for adding more flavor to the steak. Now put in the steak and let's cook it for 3 minutes each side. Make sure the heat is not too high. You can set it to like medium high heat. While waiting for the steak to cook, I just want to say thank you so much for your support, guys. And if you would like to see more of my videos, please make sure you click on the notification bell and please click on subscribe, and you can comment below if you have any suggestions for my next video. I will be uploading more videos at least 3 times in a week. Also feel free to watch my other videos. Our steak is ready and now we can transfer to the plate and prepare our meal. And this is it. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You have a good day.